why is the government lying to the public about inflation, and what's the real rate in your view?
That's both great questions. I think the government lies for the obvious reason that it makes their balance sheet and income statement look better. A lot of their benefits adjust based on CPI. Social Security benefits go up by CPI, so they have a very strong incentive to lie and cook the books. And inflation is always a monetary phenomenon, and they've been growing. If you look at long-term averages, they've been growing M2 at 7 or 8% a year. But I mean, they say they're getting back to 2%, but the reason they're going to have a hard time getting there is that this 40% burst in the money supply, created a lot of dissatisfied workers. Let me just give you an example. In the United States last fall, the U.S. longshoremen went on strike. These are the people who load and unload ships. And they went out and they got a deal. So their pay is going to go up 10% a year for the next 6 years, guaranteed. Okay. That's a long way from 2%. Okay. And so the whole notion that the Fed has inflation under control, I don't think they do, because labor got very badly hurt with the last bout of inflation, and they're going to push very hard to get their fair share back.